Dear viewers, in today's video you can know about digital marketing job scope and salary in Singapore, which will help you a lot. So watch the video till the end. And like, comment and subscribe our channel. In last video, we talked about the salary of a digital marketer in Australia. Check the add button to watch more and know more about other countries' job scopes on digital marketing sector. So let's start. Digital marketing job opportunities in Singapore. Most of the residents of Singapore use social media websites like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Twitter on a daily basis. Nearly everyone in Singapore has access to the internet, and they are active on social platforms. A lot of people in Singapore use social media platforms on a daily basis. There are many reasons why a lot of people in Singapore are active on social media platforms. Over 3/4 of Singaporeans, 76%, used social media in 2017 compared to 60%. Digital marketing average pay scale in Singapore. If you have been wondering about the pay of digital marketing managers or experts, you are not alone. There are many people who are curious about the salaries of these professionals. A recent study revealed that the average salary of a digital marketing manager is $67,000 annually. In hourly rates, that converts to $54 per hour, with around $9,826 more as a bonus and around $4,500 of optional profit sharing. There are several factors that influence the salary of an individual. Some of these factors include job title, education, company size, location, work experience, etc. Digital marketing managers are highly skilled professionals. They know how to manage websites or blogs in order to create the best possible customer experiences. In addition to this, they also know how to manage different online communities and social media platforms. Digital marketing field. There are many job roles in the digital marketing field. We can divide these into several categories, including SEO managers, Google Ads specialists, Facebook marketing experts, YouTube marketing experts, Twitter marketing experts, Instagram marketing experts, content writing expert. So, today we know about digital marketing job scope in Singapore. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. If you think this video is informative, then please press the like button. Let us know in the comments which topic you want to watch next. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.